Okay, today I'm going to be painting a body for one of the RC cars. It's a JC Concept body. It's an old, but I got it sanded down. I got the windows all taped off, and I'm going to paint it a two-tone, like the blue and white. So I'm going to do some more masking off for the two-tone, and I'll come back after I get it painted. So here it is with the blue on it. Now I'll put the white, pull the tape off and put the white to it, and it'll be two-toned. So I got the two-tone done. Got the white paint on. Bled through, the blue bled through a little bit. I got the bumpers taped off, so I'm going to paint those silver here in a minute. And once I get it done, I'll be back. So here it is, all painted up. Got the stickers and stuff on it. So I couldn't decide what body I wanted to stick out on. So I decided to go out and buy a build kit, a traxxas trx4. So I'm going to get it and put it together. There's the kit I bought to put together. I got a bunch of extras. I got a lift kit, metal housings for the axles, some brass. So once I get it all installed, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, got it all put together. I got the high lift kit put on it, the metal axles, brass portals, the till, wheel nuts, till diff covers, front and rear. I got some used traxxas high trail tires I'm going to throw on it. And I'm going to throw that 69 Chevy body on there. I'll be back. There it is with those tires and wheels on. I'm going to stay with the brush motor for now. See how good it pulls. And I'll probably have to upgrade it to a brushless. But I put magnetic mounts on the front. Probably going to put some on the rear too. But let me throw the body on it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, there it is with the body on it. I think it turned out pretty good. It's actually a little bit higher than my the stock high trails. So I'm gonna get some bumpers made for it, and we'll see how good it pulls. So stay tuned. The next video we'll see how good it pulls. Thanks for watching.